This video tutorial I will explain using a Spring JDBC template how to find total number of rows in the table. Here you can see employee table. It has 3 rows. We will see how to find count of employee table using Spring JDBC template. Here I have defined the SQL. SQL is select count star from employee table. Then I am calling query for object method of JDBC template object and passing SQL, and this SQL returns total number of rows in the employee table. It is a int value. So here I am passing integer dot class. This method returns count that I am returning. Here I have defined the interface employee DAO. It has one abstract method. Method is find total employee. It returns int. Here I have defined the class employee DAO impl, which extends JDBC DAO support class and implements employee DAO interface and provide implementation of find total employee method. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and it creates a data source object. To create a data source object, Spring container needs to know driver class name, URL of the database, username and password of the database. And once data source object is created, it will be injected to employee DAO impl. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee DAO object from Spring container. Then I am calling find total employee method of employee DAO object. This method returns count that I am printing here. We got 3. There are 3 rows are there. So we got 3. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.